Every Days, a collage by people, is made up of 5,000 drawings that reference each day of the last 13 and a half years, and this is only one of several NFTs worth more than $1 million. Many NFT collections, on the other hand, are quite popular and don't need the author to put in a lot of effort. Other NFTs, such as those from the Bored Ape Yacht Club and CryptoPunks collections, have sold for hundreds of thousands of dollars. One of the first instances of generative digital art is the CryptoPunks collection, which features 10,000 pixelated pictures of punks. It's proven a tremendous hit among NFT collectors. The collection was launched in 2015 on the Ethereum blockchain, and each NFT is one of a kind with qualities that distinguish it from other things in the collection. Video NFTs, like digital art, are popular among NFT artists. NFT collectors have been clamoring for GIFs and short films. Beeple's Crossroad, a looping 10-second movie depicting a nude Donald Trump laying on the ground, sold for $6.6 million. NBA Top Shot moments, on the other hand, are one of the most well-known NFT success stories thus far. They are part of the initial wave of excitement surrounding blockchain-based art. The NBA has granted Dapper Labs permission to digitize the reels. Some NFTs contain digital artwork and diverse perspective that make them stand out. For example, a pair of LeBron James highlights went for $200,000 on eBay. The old-school trading card model was likened to Top Shot. In the case of NFTs, however, users may trade and acquire uncommon objects while having fun, without the fear of the trading cards being stolen or damaged. Thanks to a partnership with Infinite Objects, NBA Top Shot owners will soon be able to experience their favorite footage in real life. Almost all creative genres, as previously said, may be tokenized. All music tracks, artwork, text pieces, programs, downloads, and physical things such as concert tickets or one-of-a-kind souvenirs can have their own NFTs. This opens up new avenues for artists and content makers to communicate their stories with their audiences. For example, Kings of Leon released their newest album, When You See Yourself, as an NFT in March 2021. The package cost $50 and contained a limited edition vinyl with an animated cover. Those who bought the package were placed into a lottery to win VIP concert tickets and other goodies. They were the first artists in the music industry to do so. The majority of these NFTs may be purchased on an NFT exchange. The procedure is straightforward and takes no more than 15 minutes. The sections that follow will walk you through the procedure step by step. What is an NFT and how do you construct one? To produce and sell NFTs, you must first pick an NFT platform.